Determining who your best friends are can be a challenging and emotional process. To evaluate your friendships, consider factors such as the amount of time spent together, effective communication, support, and standing up for each other. Best friends prioritize spending time together and engage in various activities without needing a special occasion. Active listening and genuine interest in each other's lives are essential qualities of best friends, while those who constantly shift the conversation back to themselves may not be true friends. Trustworthiness and the ability to keep secrets are also important traits. Best friends have each other's backs, stand up against bullying or rumors, and are forgiving during conflicts. They are genuinely happy for your success, encourage you, and promote positivity. Reflect on your answers and have open conversations with your best friends to express your appreciation. Continue to cultivate your relationships, attend important events, maintain communication, establish boundaries, and ensure a balanced give-and-take dynamic in the friendship.